Look at is OCRX. Again, this is one we've never looked at before, but you guys did have a big drop that closed was at 205, and the next day you guys opened at 90 cents and pulled down to 60, hitting a low of 55 and a high of 95. Looked like when you guys opened, you tried to make that bounce up. Couldn't happen here. So now you guys are sitting at a support level at 5.9. Really, I'm going to put this one on a hold, waiting for that buying pressure to continue to come back in and see if maybe you can get a bounce up. A lot of people like to play these dead cat bounces on the charts and try to get a bounce coming back up. So my opinion is that it's stabilized in this area. So we're going to keep this one on a watch for a bounce off that 5.9 area. Again, that might be a good play for a bounce. Let me go ahead and add this in here, and Joe can take over when he's ready. So I'm going to put this one on a watch.
What day was that right there with the drop like that?
That is going to be on the 27th and then the 30th. So Friday it closed over $2, and then Monday it opened up way down there.
All right, so that right there would and Monday, January 30th, 2017, there was a press release. It was Ocera announces top-line results for phase 2B study in hepatic encephalopathy. All right, so let's see. All right, so Ocera Therapeutics today announced that the top-line results from exploratory STOP-HE phase 2 study evaluating the efficiency, safety, and tolerability of intravenously administered ornithine phenylacetate in hospital patients with hepatic enteropathy. Although not statistically significant, OCR002 demonstrated a 17-hour reduction over placebo. The primary endpoint, which was time to improvement in the HE symptoms. So basically just saying, let me see, I'm trying to go forward. I'm just going to read what the CEO stated. This is a key milestone for OCR. The results confirm that OCR002 rapidly and safely lowered ammonia and showed a dose-related clinical benefit, said Linda Grace, MD, Chief Executive Officer of Ocera. The patients at the higher doses, 15 and 10 grams, had faster clinical improvements and greater complete response rates compared to the patients on a lower dose of 10 grams. And those on placebo, these findings will be integral in determining doses levels for future studies. We want to thank the patients and their families, caregivers, and investigators for their support and participation in the STOP-HE. So that was that right there. And then, I mean, they had another one too, another announcement. It was going back a few, let's see. All right, so January 5th, there was another one where they Ocera announces phase 1 clinical study of orally administered OCR002 in patients with cirrhosis. Yeah, so that's on the 5th. I'll just give a quick description of the company. So Ocera Therapeutics, did I already read the description actually? Let's see. No, you know what? It was kind of in the thing. All right, I know.
Yeah.
This one's been kind of like a. All right, so Ocera Therapeutics Incorporated is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company focused on the development and commercialization of OCR002 ornithine phenylacetate in both intravenous and oral formulations. OCR002 is an ammonia scavenger and has been granted orphan drug designation and fast track status by the U.S. Drug and Food Administration for the treatment of hyperammonia and result hepatic encephalopathy in patients with acute liver failure and acute on chronic liver disease. Ocera's HE clinical development efforts also include a recently completed phase 2 clinical trial, STOP-HE, which evaluated the safety and efficiency of intravenously administered OCR-002 in resolving neurocognitive symptoms of acute HE in hospitalized patients with elevated ammonia. Enrollment for the phase 2B intravenous study was completed in December 2016, and the company expects to publish top-line data of the Stop TE study in the first quarter of 2017. For additional information, please see, and that's www.ocerainc.com.
Okay, OCRX, guys, watch for that bounce right here at 59. I said watch for a bounce off this area. 59 will need to hold. You guys are going to get that dead kid bounce. It just really comes down to the buying pressure. We're going to continue to watch this one, OCRX. If you follow this, let us know what you think. Head over to investorshangout.com where you can get the message board, company profile, time and sales, which I'm looking at right here, recent news, filings, and financials, all completely free for joining investorshangout.com. Looks like the analysis have given this one a strong buy. You're going to have to look into exactly who's saying that on what. That is coming from other analysis, stock analysis than Investors Hangout. That's, like I said, other outside sources. OCRX, keep an eye on this chart. Let us know what you think. Leave a comment below and make sure you head over to investorshangout.com/live.